your Shokz OpenFit 2 does have a touch control on each side, but it is by default disabled. So to enable it, you will need your phone connected to your headphone, and you will scroll down to customize controls. And inside here, you will find a second option right here, which is called touch. And see, there's only one thing you can do, and it's a long press. And as you can see on both sides, by default, it does nothing. So if we reach inside here, as you can see there, this is the only thing you can do with the touch control. It's the voice assistance. So if you enable it, now on any side you press, you just put your finger on it. And as you can see, it enables Siri. Cancel. And I can do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Cancel. Cancel. That's why I don't use touch control. Oh, or voice comment. But yeah, that's the only thing you can do. So I hope this was helpful.